Hi, I'm Lynne with Soft Squares. Today I'm going to be doing block 5 of the Make It Merry Block of the Month quilt pattern. This is by Lamb Farm Designs. You can find this pattern at softsquares.com. You can also get the full kit, comes with all of this beautiful fabric that goes towards making the top of this. Both of them are available on my website, and you do not have to, well actually you're only going to get it all at once. So it's a work at your own pace type of a thing, the way I send it out. So the fabrics we're using are slightly different, so I do give you a cheat sheet. I also mark on the fabrics very clearly what fabric is what, and then if you follow along with me, your fabrics will also match what I'm doing. So today we're going to be working on block 5, and this is what it looks like. Looks very similar to block 4, which is this. So as you can see, they're very, very similar. The biggest difference is there's no red in this. So we're going to be making 2 of these blocks, and then we're going to move on to block 6 really quickly. So I've got my pieces already cut out, and I have them right here on this board. So here's block A, B, C, and D, E, F, G, and H. So if you follow along the pattern, these will make so much more sense to you, and it will come together really fast. But first thing we're doing is half square triangles with the H and the D. H and D, B, C, D. Oh, I had the mint green on my board backwards, the small and the big. Anyway, I'm going to be pairing these up, and I'm going to make 8 units. And then I'm going to take this, which is F, and the D. So we've got 2 different ones going on here. And I'm going to make 8 different units of this. And that's it. Actually, we're only making 4 of each, because when you cut it, you're making half square triangles, and when you make 2 per set, it doubles. So we're only having to sew 4 sets of each grouping, and then we will cut them down into 8 half square triangles per grouping, and then after that it's just a matter of laying the blocks out. So let me make these blocks and we'll come back. I've chain pieced. Now I'm going to go down the other side. Okay, let's cut these up. And square them up. And I feel like cutting right now instead of using a rotary cutter, and where I'm sitting I don't have a large pair of scissors with me, so I just grabbed these, which happen to be pinking shears, and it works great. So I just get little pink edges like that. Then I'm going to press it to the dark side. That one is not looking good. Okay, now I have 8 of each of these. I'm going to square them up using my block lock. All my half square triangles are cut and squared up, and now I have them laying out on my board, and it's just a matter of sewing my rows together. I only have to make 2 of these blocks. I chain pieced when I put these together, and now I've got two blocks that need to be pressed. Oh, and my iron went to sleep. Well, that's no good. But that's it. You just make 2 of those. That came together really fast. So I actually did make both of them at the same time. Again, I was just chain piecing everything. Alright, here are my blocks. They're pressed on to block 6. See you in the next video. Have a great day.